Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the home symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the home symbol on your Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I'm just going to open this document and just going to edit this. So this is a short video. So you just need to use your Gboard or Google keyboard. There is no insert option on the Google Docs mobile. If you click on this plus symbol, there is no option will be available. So just click on this button, you can see, and you just want to click this button also, so you can see how the changes will be appear. So after clicking this, you just need to long press on the pi option on the keyboard, so it will have a pop-up like this. You just can select the home symbol. It's a hide and secret on the Google keyboard. So here, by using this option, you can just insert the home option like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. If you having any doubt, just comment below. I just make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.